Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can post multiple photos on one Instagram story. This is a very cool feature, so I think you'll get some value out of this video. So I'm just going to open up Instagram real quick, and to go to the stories feature you can just swipe to the left on your home screen of Instagram. Now I'm on the stories camera. Now you want to make sure that you're on the stories tab, not post or reel. And I'll just take a quick story real quick. So I just took a random photo. Now to add another photo into this for an example, if you want to do that, tap on the stickers icon, which is located right there. And then if you scroll down a bit, you're going to notice that you have this icon right here. That's going to allow you to add another photo to that story. So if I tap on that and then I select another photo, you can see here it is. You can resize it, and you can even add more photos than just one. So if I tap the stickers icon again, tap on that photo upload button in the middle, and then I can add, let's just say for the example, this picture, and you can just add as many as you want into your Instagram story. And then you can just go ahead and post that. And that's basically all there is to it. So then you can just share that to your story, and you now have successfully posted multiple photos on your Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.